Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this granny square pattern fingerless gloves. I use three yarns in three color and 6mm hook. This is acrylic yarn suitable for 6mm hook. Make a magic circle like this. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, make a magic circle. Add one chain in here, yarn over like this, go to magic circle, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make double crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, make two double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to magic circle, make one double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet, three chains, repeat, three double crochet, three chains, 1 2 3, make last cluster, one double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet, make three chains, go to first chain. We have one chain in first stitch. Insert your hook in here, from back into this chain, take this yarn and fix yarn. I show, change color, go to any stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn and tie this yarn in corner, fix your yarn, go to corner, pull up yarn, I show, insert your hook, pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook, tail of yarn on your hook, pull through two yarns together, make one single crochet in here, yarn over, go to corner, pull up yarn, pull through, make double crochet. We make two double crochet, make three chains, go to same corner. In here we have three stitches, make three double crochet, 1 2 3, skip this stitch, go to next corner, this stitch, go to next corner, in second corner repeat 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet and make second corner, 3 chains, go to same corner, make corner, 1 2 3, skip stitch, go to corner, repeat for next corners, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, I show in here. I made these stitches. In here, same as before row, go to this chain, from back, insert your hook, from back, take yarn, pull up yarn. Change color, continue same as before row, tie it, pull up yarn, hide this tail of yarn under a stitch, pull up yarn, take tail of yarn on your hook, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet, go to corner, make 2 double crochet, add 3 chains, go to same corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitch, go to this hole between 2 corners I show in here, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1 cluster, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitches, go to second corner, make corner, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, and continue like this. Make corners and stitches, complete second corner, skip 3 stitch, go to this hole, make 1 cluster in here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and repeat. Make last cluster, go to this chain, fix yarn. We made 2 motifs like this I show. Join these sides together, take back loops. I show these loops, back loops, and join these sides together. Go to any stitch in here, tie yarn, fix yarn in this side, insert your hook into this stitch, hide tail of yarn under stitch, pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook, pull up yarn, add one chain in here, go to next stitch, hide tail of yarn under stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat like this in all stitches. I show in corners, take these corners on your hook. I show, insert your hook into 2 corners together, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each stitch and repeat. I show in this corner, make 1 stitch in this corner, go to next side and make 1 double crochet in this corner, go to top of first stitch, slip stitch, make chains and take this stitches on your hook, make front post double crochet, make 1 double crochet around these stitches, make 1 front post double crochet in each stitch, continue like this, make more rows. I made this stitch, go to first top of first stitch, slip stitch and repeat same as before row, make chains, take stitches on your hook, make front post double crochet around stitches, go to this stitch, top of first chains, slip stitch, continue from this side, go to any stitch, change color, tie yarn, fixed yarn, continue same as other side. In this side we make 1 row, make a single crochet, add 1 chain and make 1 double crochet in each stitch, I show 1 double crochet in each stitch and repeat. I show in corners, go to corners, make 1 double crochet in these corners and repeat. Go to first corner, make 1 double crochet, go to top of first chains, a slip stitch. I show go to any stitch in this side, pull up yarn for make finger, tie yarn, go to this stitch, hide yarns, tail of yarns under stitches, pull up yarn, take this yarn on your hook, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for this side and other side. I show 1 single crochet in each stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet, go to other side corner, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch and repeat. Go to first stitch, a slip stitch, make a chain, go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 single crochet and repeat. Go to first stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 more row in here, 1 single crochet in each stitch, go to first stitch and a slip stitch.